Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And yeah, you guys, everyone is welcome onto my channel MCQs only. And this is something that we are actually creating right now. And let's see how many questions we are gonna cover for this series. I mean, my target is to cover 1000 questions, so without wasting our time, let's just start. Okay, so question number one we have, let's start from the very beginning. That's the question number one. Okay, what tag defines the page favicon? So basically, link. There was a tag that actually defines. Okay, which attribute is used for file upload support? Support enc type tag. Okay, which ncp type value is used for file upload? That's what form data actually, multi-part form data. So in this series, a little bit tricky, not tricky, but you see a level of questions in this lecture I have been covered. Okay, this tag is used to create bookmark within the. So that was easy. Anchor tag. Okay, which syntax jumps to a bookmark? That actually what? ID, right? href ID, hyperreference ID. Okay, which tag visually represent keyboard shortcut? So KBD. Okay, which tag defines sample program output? Sample program output means some samples. Okay, that actually we have SAMP tag. Okay, which tag defines author contact information? That's called the address tag. Okay, which element defines important text? That's called what? Strong tag. Which attribute forces input before form submission? That's called what? Required tag. Okay, which tag defines clickable areas in MS map? Area tag. Okay, which tag is used for scalable vector graphics? That's called what? SVG tag. Which element is commonly used for drawing chart dynamically? Canvas tag. Okay, which semantic element defines navigation section? Okay, nav tag. Which tag defines article content? That's called what? Article tag. Which tag defines site content like ads? That's called what? A site tag. Okay, so 17 question we have. Which tag group illustrate and media? Group illustrate illustrations and media. Okay, which tag actually groups? Let's see. Figure tag actually does. Okay, which tag defines captions for figures? That's called fig caption. Which attribute shows tooltip text? That's called title tag. Okay, which tag defines machine readable data? Data tag does. Okay, which tag defines inline quotation? That's called what? Q tag. Q stand for quotation. Okay, which tag defines long quotations? That's called what? Block quote. Which storage stores session only data? That's called what? Session storage. Okay, that's the B option. Okay, which storage keeps data after browse closes? That's called what? Local storage. Okay, which API provides user location? That's called geolocation API. Which attribute disable spell check? That's what called what? Spell check false. Spell check true means that actually enable it, and then after if it is false then disable. Okay, which tag defines character encoding? That's called meta char set. Okay, which input type select time? That's called what? Time tag. We have also a tag that is what? That is date. Okay, date tag. Which input type select local date and time? So we have what? Date time local. Okay, which attribute specifies minimum value? That we have min, and for the maximum we have max. Okay, which attribute defines increment step? So we have step keyword. Not keyword, I got so confused. That was attribute. Okay, which element create drop down list? So basically we have a select tag. Okay, which tag defines drop down options? Now it's a different option tag are there. Okay, which attribute enable multiple selections? So multiple tag we have. Okay, which tag groups drop down options? Okay, so we have a OPT group. Which tag defines inserted text? That we have ins tag. Which tag defines deleted text? we have del tag, okay, which tag displays monospace text. That actually we have TT tag, okay. This tag is deprecated in HTML5, that's called what? Center tag. Which tag defines image maps, that's called what? Map tag. Which tag create expandable detail, that's called what? Either it is a details or summary tag, okay. Which attribute makes content editable? Content editable tag, okay. 44 question we have which attribute control translation, that's called translate tag, okay. What is this? Translate tag we have. Option B is correct over here. Which tag defines emphasize text, that's called the EM tag, okay. Which tag highlight text, that's called what? Mark tag. What attribute defines alternative image text, that's called what? Alt tag, okay. Which tag defines performated text? Pre tag, okay. Which tag defines computer code, that's called what? Code tag. Which tag defines abbreviation, that's called what? AWVR tag. Which attribute specify relationship between linked document? We have REL tag. Which tag is used to include external CSS? We have a link tag, okay. Which attribute defines media type CSS link? That's called what? Media tag. Which tag is used for multi-line input? So basically multi-line we have a text area. Multi-line input means a box in which you can write any text in multiple line, okay, using multiple lines. Okay, that's called a text area. Like paragraph or something, okay. Which attribute defines number of visible rows in text area? Rows tag, okay. Which attribute defines width of a text area? That's called what? That's called the calls, okay. Which tag defines label for input field? That's called what? That's label call, okay. That's called label tag, okay. Next question 58 we have which tag groups form elements? That's called what? That's called what? Field set tag, okay. So 59 question number we have which tag defines caption for field set? That's called what? Legend tag, okay. Which input type creates slider? That's called range, okay. That's called what? That's called the range actually, okay. Which input type is used for email? That's called what? That's called the email tag, okay. Which input type is used for URL? That's called what? URL tag. Which input type is used for telephone number? That's called a TEL tag. Which attribute makes input required? That's called what? Required tag. Which attribute disable input field? That's called what? Disable tag, okay. Which attribute makes input read only? That's called read only tag. Which attribute provide placeholder text? That's called placeholder tag, okay. Which tag defines button? Actually that's called the button tag. We have separately a button tag also, okay. Which input types reset form? We have a reset input type, okay. Which input type submit form? That's actually called what? Submit tag. We have submit, that's not a tag, it's an input type, okay. Which tag defines radio button? So now you're thinking which tag is gonna define radio button? So that's what input type radio, okay. So that's also asking which tag. Tag is, this is the full tag, and if it is asking which input type, then you can go with the radio, okay. Which attribute select default options? So basically we have option selected, okay. Which attribute select check boxes by default? That we have checked option, okay. Which tag defines drop down list? That's called what? Select tag. Which tag defines drop down options? That's called what? Options tag, okay. Which tag groups drop down options? That we have actually OPT group, okay. Which tag defines images? That's what? IMG tag. Which attribute defines image source? That's what? We have SRC tag, okay. Which attribute defined alternative text for the images? That's called what? Alt tag. Alt means like if image is not showing onto your window, then what the text do you want to show onto the windows? That image is not found like that. That's called the alt, okay. Inside the alt will be we can write any random text, okay. So which tag defines hyperlink? That's called what? A tag. Which attribute defines link destination? That's called the href tag. Which attribute opens link in new tab? That's called what? Blank tag. Target blank, okay. Which tag defines an order list? Called UL tag. For the order list, OL tag, okay. Which tag defines list item? That's called what? We have a list tag, okay. Not that one. We have actually the option B. That's called the ally tag, okay. Option B is here Correct. Okay. Which tag defines table? So basically, to define a table, we have a table tag. Okay. Now you're thinking, which tag defines table row? Then tr tag. Okay, and then table column. No, table column. Table data, td tag. So that was actually easy to understand. Table for t, data for d, table r for row for r. Okay. This tag defines table heading. Heading means h. So th, which attribute merge column. So we have option like call span. Okay. Which attribute merge rows. So we have option row span. Which tag defines form. So we have a tag called form, which attribute defines form action URL. That's called the action tag. Okay. Which attribute defines HTTP method in form. So basically we have a method tag. Okay. Which tag defines level tag. Which tag defines field grouping. That's called what? Field set tag. Which tag defines field set caption. We have what? Legend tag. Which input type hides character. We have a password tag. Okay. Which input type allows number input. Number tag. Which input type allows date selection. We have a date tag. So 301 question number we have. Which HTML tag defines a progress bar? Okay. Which HTML tag defines a progress bar? So we have a progress tag. Okay. So we have done with the 100 questions in this lecture. So thank you so much for watching this video. Upcoming videos are gonna be covered the important 100 questions for the HTML. Okay. So that's all in this lecture. Thank you so much for watching this MCQs only onto my channel. And yeah, all the best if your exam is coming, and do let me know what the exact improvement I can do onto my channel. That actually engage a lot of people out there. Okay, that would be very helpful for me. Okay, and also